Honestly, I'm trying. Hi guys, how are you doing? Do you like my glasses? First, are you subscribed? In today's video, by the title, I'm gonna be trying viral TikTok makeup hacks. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell on. And let's just go straight into the video. Okay, so the first one is gonna be a fork. Okay. First, let me just go get my fork. Hold on. Okay, I've got my fork. Let's watch it one more time because this, do you think it's gonna work? Like, there's people. So I'm gonna use my baking powder right here, and I'm gonna be using my contour right here. Okay, so I'm gonna need your thingy right here. This better works. And then I'm gonna use a different brush, and then she put the dark one at the side. Am I doing this right? Cause like my nose is freaking hurting. What the hell? Okay. Time to blend it. Nope, it didn't work for me. Okay, comment down below if you've tried this hack before and it worked for you. So let's just go to the second one. Oh, what's that? Is that a pad? I'm gonna try that. I've got that actual pad, but not the smaller one. So this one here, I'm just gonna cut it and I'll be back, okay? Ow, crazy, I look stupid. Oh wait. I'm just gonna use the same one for this side. I mean, it did work, kind of. I mean, I'll rate it a 6 because I meant to use the panty liner thinking that this could work. I mean, it did work. Okay, next one. Okay, let's do it. Got my bobby pin. This better works. Okay. I think I meant to do it more. I'm just gonna put more. Just gonna put it on the same line. Okay. And then why does it look so easy when you watch it? Why? Look at this. I mean, it's not that bad, but when you open your eyes, I don't know. I guess I'll rate it a 6 because it looks messy. It looks so easy. I tried it, it's not easy. Interesting. Okay, let's move on. A fork again? Oh. Okay. Now let's watch it again. So they put it this way. I got it. I prefer this one. I think I should do eyeliner this way because that way it looks better. This is going to be the last one.
Do you do your concealer like this and you find it's dragging your face down? Let me show you how to help with that. The reason I'm not a fan of the triangle shape under the eye is because it emphasizes the lowest point of the cheek way too much, in my opinion. So I'm going to show you my preferred method, and also the benefit of this one is that it lifts the face. This is a shape I want you to try. The reason I take it onto the side of the nose is that it gives the nose a natural contour. So I'm going to blend this out and show you the difference. So as you can see, there is a clear difference. This eye is much more lifted and the highlight isn't on the main focal point of the cheek. Whereas this one here, while yes, everything's covered and everything, the highlight is right here. There is a lot of product sitting right on the cheek as opposed to under the eye and lifting the face. Try this out and let me know how you go.
Okay, so that is the shape he wants me to try, or you to try. So let's do it. I'm just gonna do his way here and I'm gonna do my way here. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend it. My battery's gonna die, so I have to be really quick. So I'm just gonna blend this side. Ooh. And I'm just gonna blend mine. Okay. Ooh. I think I prefer this one than that one, because you know it's based on here and then that one goes down to my cheeks. So I think I prefer this one. Good. This comes to the end of the video. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below if you want to see part 2 of this video. Comment down below and tell me which one you've tried before, or you're about to try, or you are thinking to try. Okay, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.